Hello, everyone, and welcome to our OCR training recording. This is basically a QC project where most of the work which is already done. You already have the image, and it's boxed, and it's also transcribed. So you just have to look at it one by one and confirm if the text written inside matches with the one transcribed below. Okay, so I'm first going to quickly give you an overview of what this platform is and how it looks like. So in the middle, you have the image, which you have to transcribe. You can zoom in and zoom out the image using your mouse scroll or your trackpad. Ideally, you should be using a mouse. Don't use a laptop's trackpad because it makes it a little bit slow. You have these plus minus buttons over here as well to make it zoom in and zoom out. And then you can use the Alt key. Once you press the Alt key and press the mouse button and move your mouse, you can adjust the image. It makes it easy to move around the image. On the left side, you have these numbered list, which is basically the boxes, which you can see over here on the image, one by one. Okay. And yes, that's pretty much it. And once you click on a box, you can see the text which is written inside as well. So your main task is to basically zoom in and then match the text. So we'll start on this task from the first box in the list. Okay. Going one by one on the list, it makes it much faster and easier. I'm going to time myself as well to see how much time it takes. All right. So let's start. Now we have to be very careful with because this is right now Russian language. So we need to make sure that the capitalizations are correct, right? Over here, this is capitalized. It's over here should be capitalized as well. Then here. Okay, correct. 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 Okay. Now over here we can see the first mistake which we have found, and that is this H over here. And the text is capitalized, but over here it's a small letter, right? You can see that very clearly. Now, how to solve that problem? You need to type it. Now, even though you have this character in English as well, but you should have an on-screen Russian keyboard, like I have over here. To get it, it's very easy. Click on More Keyboards and click on Add Language, write Russian, and choose this one, okay, which does not have any bracket for any other parts of the Russian-speaking countries. Use this one, it's the most standard one. Okay, once you'll click on it, it will install. Okay, and now once you can search for on-screen keyboard, and when you will choose Russian, it will give you Russian language. Now you can see I want to write down the small h. Let me see why it's not letting me choose Russian as a language. Okay. And once you choose Russian as a language, turn on your on-screen keyboard. Okay, now I have the Russian language. Now you can find where is that H. Here's the H. By default, it's the small letters. So I'll delete this one and see now it's a small letter. I'll minimize it and go to the next one. The same way, please confirm if the capitalizations can be wrong at times. Okay, this way you will keep looking at. And guys, be very careful with the punctuations as well. You can see over here, there's a space, so there should be a space over here as well. And rest is correct, correct, and correct. Okay, now checked it one by one. Everything was clear. And I can click on accept, and that is going to submit. Okay. Now we're going to repeat the same process over here as well. Going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. The text. Okay. And then start checking if it's correct or not. Again, be very careful with these capitalizations. They should, if it's capital in the text, it should be capital over here as well. If it's not, you have to adjust it. How do you know it's that the right box selected? It will become red color, which when you will click on it. So you can see there were absolutely no mistakes over here. All right, now this is correct, and we're going to submit this one. Okay, now guys, as I've shown you on the platform, I will go to the main page and show you how to get, once you log in with your username and password, you will arrive over here. You will click on this 2D, computer vision. You'll click on project. And then over here, you're going to choose this one. This is the QA task. So you will not see this on your screen. You are going to go directly over here. And over here, you will be able to click on this blue button. And once you click on it, you will be able to generate a sampling task. So normally, depending on how many tasks you're able to do at that time, you're going to choose. Okay, so for example, I mean, I'm not going to choose too many right now. But for example, I can choose 5, but for a task which is this easy, you can choose 10, 15, so that you don't have to come here again and again. So if you choose 10, for example, or 15, as many, and then you click, but don't choose too many that other people are not able to take tasks. And now you can see that 5 tasks from those 201, now it's 196. 5 tasks are over here, and then I'll click on start, and it will go into my task. So now once I will finish the task and click on accept, only click on accept once you know that the task has been checked by you. All right. So once you will like let's have a quick check. This one has only 10 boxes, so let's do like a quick check on this one. Okay, so now correct. No, not correct actually. See, I found one mistake, and normally you should be zoomed in a little bit more so you can find. So you can see this letter over here is capital, but in the text over here, it's small. So what you're going to do, we're going to delete it. You're going to turn on your on-screen keyboard and use this letter. You can see this letter is very commonly not capitalized because I think it's a simple shape. So, sorry, capitalize. So you have to press Shift and then click on it. Okay. And then let's check the next one. So it's capitalized, perfect. Version 2.0. Okay, and guys, please make sure that the capitalizations are there, punctuations are there. Okay, there are 3 dots at the end, so there should be 3 dots over here, not 4 dots. Okay, and you can see that over here after the full stop, there's no space, so we don't have space over here also. Okay, don't correct these kind of things according to the grammar rules. Just do it as you see on the screen. Seven zero 7, 11, 20, 18, 25. All right, and then you can click on accept. And you'll arrive at the next image, and then you can start working on that as well. All right, guys. So yeah, this is I think pretty much it. All you need to know about this project. It's extremely easy, extremely simple, and I hope you don't have any issues while working on it. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask your manager.